Use the cat in quieter times. The cat's allowed upstairs. The dog isn't. Safe refuge. There's a black spot there, which is no doubt from the cars or the tyre rubbing against that. That's about all the action. So, fucking how good's that? More quality. There's outside. Note the broom. Tried to get that toy up there, as you can see. I did not get. And then I forgot to get the broom. It's been about 6 months now. Kind of like it up there. Adds a little bit of drama. So there you go. Back to the cat. Let's get that extra bit of content. Because YouTube loves that. Loves that. Who doesn't love a cat? Zoom right in. That's about as close as I can get. Alright. Enjoy that. Watch it on repeat. And subscribe. And then subscribe again. There's that broom. I know you were keen to see that again, so a little bonus for those who watched to the end. Look at the rust on that. Yeah, beauty. That's quality rust. That's hard to get that good rust. Just from a day. You can't. Months of rain. Okay. And how long that's now? 2 minutes. More cat action. That's it.